Science and technology create value. Innovation changes the future. Quality comes from professional. Integrity creates brand. Bolong promotes the era of green animal husbandry. Bolong Industry was founded in 1993. Since then, we have been committed to modern livestock and poultry breeding. It is a professional R&D and production enterprise of automatic series breeding equipment based on practicability and reliability. In 2013, the company registered and established Hebi Bolong Animal Husbandry Machinery Company Limited, provide practical, economical, and environmentally friendly feeding systems and house equipment for the livestock and poultry industry multiple solution development. At the same time, Bolong Company optimizes production line and improves production capacity. Spend huge sums of money to introduce German Trumpf series high-speed laser cutting machine, automatic vending machine, automatic punching machine, and other processing equipment. Purchased more than 20 Japanese Yaskawa welding robots, OTC welding robots, to ensure the accuracy, speed, and quality of product processing. Meanwhile, vigorously train technical backbones, establish and continuously improve after-sales service and technical support system. At present, our company owns more than 430 employees, including 78 technical research and development personnel. Installation and after-sales team composed of skilled installation personnel and after-sales service personnel, 65 people. Company has more than 30 patents with independent intellectual property rights. Among them, the automatic egg collecting and laying box equipment for flat breeding chickens is the first in China. At present, the automatic egg collecting box has accounted for more than 60% of the domestic chicken breeding market. In 2015, the company responded to the National Environmental Protection Policy and market demand, fully understand industry needs in accordance with relevant national environmental protection policies, successfully developed a new domestic livestock and poultry waste harmless treatment equipment. It can not only reduce environmental pollution, also provides a new solution for farmers to extend the industrial chain and improve the added value of products. Bolong brand livestock and poultry waste harmless treatment equipment, suitable for processing different manure, livestock and poultry carcasses, kitchen waste and domestic sewage sludge. Raw materials with under 70% moisture content can put into directly to tank without adding any auxiliary materials. The equipment adopts vertical closed tank structure, which reduces the installation area. The whole equipment structure is divided into 3 parts. The lower part of the host base is distributed with hydraulic station, vortex air pump, heating system, and mixing shaft, etc. The middle part is double insulation tank. The inner wall lined with SS304 plate effectively extend the life of tank and reduce the residue of rotten clinker. The insulation layer filled with polyurethane foaming agent is arranged in the middle. Outer wall is supported by thickened steel plate, and also have equipment automatic control system, export device, etc. The upper part consists of canopy, detection platform, and exhaust facilities, etc. The auxiliary equipment includes automatic tipping bucket elevator, deodorization system, and heat exchange system. The equipment adopts the principle of aerobic microbial aerobic fermentation so that the microorganism can utilize the residual protein of organic matter in animal manure and corpse. Under the condition of certain temperature, humidity, and sufficient oxygen, the animal waste can be treated harmlessly. It is a continuous system that can be put into waste and produced organic fertilizer every day. The bucket elevator lifts the organic waste and automatically puts it into the tank. The organic waste is mixed in the tank through the mixing blade. The special heat exchanger uses the heat of the exhaust gas to heat the fresh air and make it enter the tank. Hot air blows out from the holes in the blades. Warm air accelerates aerobic fermentation of organic waste and evaporation of water. After an average of 7 days, organic waste is converted into high-quality organic fertilizer. The treated clinker can be used directly as fertilizer or as raw material to produce compound organic fertilizer. Completely solve the environmental pollution problem of livestock and poultry manure and carcasses. Ensure the green and sustainable development of large-scale factories in the breeding industry. In 2018, Bolong Animal Husbandry went abroad for the first time to participate in Hanover International Animal Husbandry Exhibition in Germany. Business sales in foreign markets. It is the only one in Hebi city that has been successfully selected into 100 intelligent equipment enterprises to be cultivated in Henan province from 2018 to 2020. Economic operation, efficient automation, and cost-clear management are the prerequisites. Our products can help you get higher output. Bolong will be honest service, high-end quality, constantly set off animal husbandry equipment technology reform as the mission. Strive to create a green and healthy space for animal husbandry industry.